When I inhale, I can feel it up here. Sometimes there's a little stinging if there's some irritation, but it gets everything moving. And almost within a minute or two, I start to get that kind of mucus flow. Then there's postnasal drainage that occurs. It's all a wonderful clearing. If you suffer from sinus infections, plugged, stuffed ears, just a lot of congestion here in the upper sinuses, postnasal drainage, and just a whole bunch of upper respiratory angst, this type of inhaler is exactly what you need if you're experiencing any type of ear, sinus, or upper respiratory infection. And just inhaling, it's magical. If you're curious and want to learn more, stay tuned. If you're watching this video, you're probably dealing with sinus congestion, nasal irritation, plugged ears. I'm going to share with you this portable dry salt therapy that is amazing, and I'm so excited to share this with you today. 20% of all Americans suffer from some degree of upper respiratory irritation and chronic infections. That's why I'm sharing with you this amazing saline treatment. This is a comprehensive, portable, therapeutic, complementary, and medication-free solution for many of you who are suffering needlessly with a lot of mucus and infections of the upper respiratory passageways. So you can see here, this is the salt being emitted, and when breathed in, inhaled in, it gets into the sinuses, upper sinuses, gets into the throat and down into the bronchioles and the lungs. This is the magic of dry salt therapy, or what we know as halotherapy. Specifically, pharmaceutical grade salt that is ground up into microparticles that are inhaled, greatly clear sinus infections. And now, because of the current state of a lot of our wellness centers being closed and people trying to social distance for health and safety, it's often challenging to get halotherapy. This HaloPocket is really created for all of us who want a halotherapy experience in a portable setting. And this you can take anywhere. You can do this at work, you can do this in your car, you can do it at home. It's amazing, it travels. And these salt particles have the amazing capacity to address infections, inflammation, excess mucus, plugged, clogged passageways in a very quick, immediate, and effective way. Already, I'm getting postnasal drainage and clearing of both my eustachian tubes and my sinus passageways. It's also promotive of the lymphatics and very good for keeping at bay any allergies or any common irritants that might trigger sinusitis, clogged ears, a sinus infection, or extreme mucus. Halotherapy can improve so many different upper respiratory grievances, and a few that you probably didn't even consider. Halotherapy can be used to treat asthma, COPD, bronchitis, sinus, and ear infections. It can also be a preventative for cold and flu. And more recently, we're seeing this as a great therapeutic for COVID recovery. It also benefits dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, acne. It helps enhance your immune health. It improves sleep. It's wonderful for individuals who have cystic fibrosis. And all around, it helps to lower the inflammation, especially in the upper respiratory passageways. It's very calming when you do this, and I recommend utilizing salt therapy as a self-care practice, especially if you suffer from any of those common conditions. For maintenance, you can do this in the morning and the evenings. If you are dealing with an active infection or irritation, I recommend doing this every hour, and sometimes even more frequently, for about 3 to 5 minutes each time. You breathe in through your nose, and I hold it, and then you can also breathe in through your mouth. That's the one that gets a lot of clearing, and you're going to taste the salt. Clearing out your ear, nose, and throat, coughing, those are all actions of expelling the gunk infection, irritants, and allergen sources. Just got ear popping. It's amazing. I really hope you grab one of these. They're so amazing. It's such a great investment. Put my little cap on and off I go on my day. So my question of the day for you friends is, have you employed salt therapy like this in your healing routines? Comment down below, I'd love to know. And if you're curious about picking up one of these HaloPockets, we distribute these here. Natural Health Resources is one of the USA distributors for these, and you can grab those at our website. I'll put a link down below. So happy healing and speedy recoveries to you friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I feel it up here, it gets a lot of sinuses going.